But baby, I got me some Chanel Mademoiselle. Oh my God, Coco Mademoiselle, baby. Coco Mademoiselle. Look at the packaging. Just look at the packaging. Like, look, guys, it's just so beautiful. It's elegant. It's classy. It's bossy. It's like, what you got on who? Let's see what Coco Mademoiselle smells like. And I'm gonna spray the bottom, the paper. And it's not alcohol based, baby. See, this smell like an older woman. Y'all know, come on now, somebody know what I'm talking about. Them older women who be wearing them fragrances that be like, Grandma, what you got on? Or, you know, Mom, what you wearing, Mom?